Union Home Minister Amit Shah has talked of the fencing exercise that the centre is implementing along the Indo-Myanmar border, while stating that a 10-kilometer stretch in Manipur's border town Moreh has already been fenced. Taking to social media platform X, Home Minister Amit Shah said the Modi government is committed to building the impenetrable borders. Shah said that the government has decided to construct a fence along the entire 1,643 kilometers long Indo-Myanmar border. He added here that to facilitate better surveillance, a patrol track along the border will also be paved. Out of the total border length, a 10-kilometer stretch in Moreh, Manipur has already been fenced, said Shah. The Union Home Minister also said that 2 pilot projects of fencing through a hybrid surveillance system HSS are under execution. He said that they will fence a stretch of 1 kilometer each in Arunachal Pradesh and Manipur. He also stated that fence works covering approximately 20 kilometers in Manipur have also been approved and the work will start soon. Meanwhile, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma also welcomed the Union Home Minister's announcement and took to social media platform X, where he called it a commendable and bold decision. This is a commendable and bold decision which will have a huge stabilizing impact on the entire northeastern region. State-of-the-art fencing shall also minimize incidents of cross-border insurgency and infiltration through better surveillance. My gratitude to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah for this great effort to secure our borders, said the Assam Chief Minister on X. Noteworthy is that the Border Roads Organization BRO had recently stated that they will fence a major portion of the strategic India-Myanmar border, and a 10-kilometer stretch in Manipur has already been covered. The Minister of Homeland Affairs has identified around 1,700 kilometers of fencing that needs to be done, BRO's Additional Director General East PKH Singh had said. The organization has also already finished fencing 10 kilometers along the border in Manipur's Moreh, which has been handed over to the Assam Rifles. The border fencing comes in after the centre recently made it clear that they are going to fence the entire stretch of the Indo-Myanmar border. It was also stated that the centre is going to scrap the free movement regime, a system which has allowed certain border residents to move freely within a specific distance across the Indo-Myanmar border, which has been a long-standing tradition. The move to scrap the FMR and fence the border has met with protests from various tribal communities in the region, especially in the states of Manipur, Mizoram, and Nagaland.